Okay, so we are presenting the team leadership theory. I'm Dustin, and off camera is Emily and Cristal. The development of this theory, as far as the creator or data creation goes, is pretty unclear. We don't have a specific person that developed the theory, nor do we have a date when it was created. The studies of groups and teams in management situations started around the 1920s and 30s, which has evolved today into all of the group theories that we have, the leadership theories that we have. And the team leadership theory seems to kind of encompass all of them and use them all in one way or another to help a manager lead a team effectively. The explanation of this theory, this kind of explains what it's about. The main job of a leader in the team environment, that's the key point of the theory. The leader's job is to motivate and lead his team, make sure they stay on task, and just overall make sure the project goes smooth. The team leader fits into the dynamics of a team, hopefully not only as just a leader, but also as a participant. The more he can work with his team, the better off everybody will be. Like they say, there's no I in team. A good leader equates to good team effectiveness. Good leadership is going to allow the team to perform better in any situation, given all other factors are equal. And now I'm going to go ahead and pass this off to...
Team leadership theory impacts the stakeholders, project managers, and members of the team. The team leadership impacts the whole entire team involved in a positive or a negative way. It is a very important element in team leadership and also in working as a team to see if the team is going to be either effective and successful or if it's going to fail. Team leadership has a big impact on how it looks and how it is approached and the ability to get things done. The areas of organizations. In student projects, in college, in high school, you always have to work in projects. Also in organization management. Any organization, a lot of organizations are now using team management, and it has become one of the most popular uses of management. And also in team members as an employee, everywhere you go to work, mostly there will be times when everybody has to work as a team. It's not just one person getting something done, one working together to get the job done. Student team leaders. What makes a student team leader is an efficient group project completion. When you have good student team leaders, you will be able to get a group project done and be able to have everyone pull together and get it done and work together for it. Student body organizations uses student team leaders and also study groups. There are several study groups in different colleges and schools that use student team leaders to help pull everything together.
Part out.
Okay. Organization team organization project team leaders. The reason why organizations have team projects is because they sometimes get a lot of different things that come in at them, and they have to either come up with a new idea for a new product, or come up with an idea how to promote new things, or come up with ideas to make the organization as a whole come together. So therefore, they make teams, and a team needs a leader to help them organize everything and come together. Have you ever heard this saying, two mean chiefs and not enough Indians? That just means without a leader, there's so much scatterbrain, there's not an official turn your stuff into this person and stuff like that. And also, having teams and organization, it helps de-stress the workplace and helps not put so much work on yourself, and you can spread out throughout the team. And even the team leader can help spreading work out. team. People don't think that being a team leader is really parenting, but it is. Being a parent, you have to make sure your kids are okay, make sure they're healthy, they get to school on time, and the house that your kids are living in is clean and everything has come together. And you have to manage also the finance in the family too. You have to make sure there's enough money to pay the bills, enough money for your kids' clothes, enough money for groceries and all that. And also you have to make sure that you have money for when they go to college or if they want to do extra activities. And you also have to prepare your children for the future. So if you don't start preparing them when they're 6 or 7 and show them what the future is going to hold in the long run, that's because kids need to know what to expect. Using the team leader as a theory, being an effective household leader with the parenting, also being an effective student leader, and then being an effective project leader for a corporation or for any project that you will have to do in the future. How you can remember this theory is there's no I in team, and then also an effective leader works with members, and members do not work for the leader. And then for our research, we couldn't find a really good place to find all the information we needed, so we had to go and get stuff from different resources to find it, because there's not really